O yung ginagamit nating method sa pagbili or pag-invest sa stock market is itong cost averaging, no? So kung sinasabi natin na every month bibili siya, so ganito nga po yung mangyayari diyan. Ginagamit natin for this is just an example, and this is just data para maipakita sa inyo kung paano nag-work yung cost averaging. So by the way, this photo is not mine. Also yung data, hindi rin sa akin yan. So ginamit ko lang. This is from Ready to be Rich or by Mr. Fitz Villafuerte, no? So ayun, cost averaging. This is from January 2008 pa. This is the price of Jollibee Foods Corporation. 51 pesos pa lang. So ngayon, nasa 300 na yan, no? So 51 pesos on the month of January. Nag-invest ka, gusto mo mag-invest ng 5,000 pero 4,590 lang kasi nga may mga lot size or board lot na tinatawag, no? And the number of stocks bought sa 51 na share price niya, and with your 4,590, you bought 90 shares. Ayan. So meron ka 4,590 and the total stocks mo is 90 pa lang since it's your first month. Also, yung stock value mo, it's the same kasi dun ka pa lang rin bumili, no? Gain or loss, wala pa. So, next purchase mo is April na. Yan, so nag-skip ka ng ilang buwan, no? And 47 pesos na lang ang Jollibee Foods. So, 4,750 ang total amount na invested mo, and also number of stocks bought 100. So dito, dalawa na, no? Nadagdagan ka na. And total stocks mo is 190 na. So nag-gain ka ba or nag-loss ka? So nag-loss siya. So syempre kasi bumaba yung stocks nito, ay yung price dito. So pero bumili pa rin siya. Regardless kung tumaas o bumaba, basta stable ang company or basta kumikita ang company, it's okay. So as long as it's a blue chip company na nare-recommend, it's okay. So ayun, so kasi yung mga yan, may mga instances na talagang bababa rin yan. Hindi siya dire-diretso pataas. So may mga iba't ibang crisis na tinatawag. Pero on some crisis or in some situation na bumaba yung price, as long as it's a blue chip company or a big company like Jollibee Foods, it's okay. Alright? So July 2008, nag-skip na naman siya, bumaba pa rin yung presyo, and it's 32 pesos, bumili pa rin. So, lumaki yung loss niya. Tuloy-tuloy, yan, 49 pesos na, tumaas, ang bilis ng pagtaas, no? And tinuloy-tuloy niya lang yung pagbili. Regardless of the price, bumaba or tumaas, bumibili siya, no? So, total na nabili niya, ayan, total amount invested, 57,000. Ang total amount na nilabas niya, kung magkakapital niya or ininvest niya. Total na stocks na shares na nabili niya is 1,130. So, ita-times lang po natin yan with the current price. This is the current price, which is 87.50. Yeah, so 87.50 times 1,130 na shares, it's 98,800. Almost double yung kinita niya. So, ito na nga po yung gain niya, no? 41,750. So, ganun nga po siya nag-work. Ganun nga po yung cost averaging. And this method or this strategy, I highly recommend na if you are going to invest in the long term. Yan. So, ganito nga po yung pwedeng mangyari sa investment natin. Basta it's a stable company, which is what we recommend in the Truly Rich Club. Yun, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pagbili natin dyan. By the way mga techie, share ko lang ng konti itong kung anong yung meron dito sa Truly Rich Club, no? So here, nakalagay na nga yung stock code na ilalagay natin dito sa Easy Investment Program natin. So tuloy lang yung gagawin nating pagbili. Lalagay lang natin yung stock code. Ito, yan, yung stocks na AC, lalagay lang natin yan dito, AC. And, so yan, AC. Yan, lalagay lang natin yan, and then lalagay natin kung gusto nating invest, kung kailan yung start, and until when ka mag-i-invest. Yan, so, ganun lang siya kadali. Current price na naka-reflect dito, and this buy below price, this is the continue buying, no? This is something that you need to watch out for. So, buy below price, as long as na itong current price is below this price, so itong buy below price natin, this is where we want to stop buying para kapag tumaas siya, malaki yung margin natin